To cite a work in an edited collection, we will begin with the author information. After giving the author's last name, we will include a comma. We will then provide the author's first initial. If the author's middle initial is given, we should provide that as well. Finally, we end the author portion of the citation with a period. If you have two authors, your citation will look like this. After the initial author, we will include a comma, an ampersand, and then the second author's name. Please note that this name is also given as last name, first initial. If the text has 3 or more authors, we will repeat this pattern. If an article you are citing has more than 19 authors, you will provide the first 19 authors, then give an ellipsis, 3 periods. Finally, you will present the last author's name. It is important to note that for more than 19 authors, you do not include an ampersand before the last author's name. Once we have provided all our author information, we then need to provide the year of publication. The year of publication should be in parentheses and will be followed by a period. The next piece of information to include is the chapter of the title or the article. Within the title of an article or chapter, there are 3 and only 3 words that we capitalize: the first word of the article, the first word of any subtitle, and any proper nouns. Everything else is lowercase for article or chapter titles. We then conclude this section with a period. Next, we provide the editor or editors of the collection. We will begin by typing the word in. We then provide the editor's first initial and a period, followed by the editor's last name. We then provide opening parentheses, the letters ed period, an abbreviation for editor, followed by closing parentheses and a comma. If a collection has more than one editor, we provide each editor's name in the same format. For example, here's a citation with 2 editors. Note the inclusion of an ampersand before the last editor's name, and the addition of an S to our editor abbreviation. If we had more editors, we would include commas between each editor. Next, we provide the name of the edited collection. We give the collection title in italics. We then capitalize the first word of the collection, the first word of any subtitle, and any proper nouns. Everything else is lowercase. This brings us to the article or chapter's page numbers. We will begin by providing an opening parentheses. We will then abbreviate pages with PP period and give the all-inclusive page numbers where the article or chapter can be found within the collection. We will then end this section with a closing parentheses and a period. Finally, we end the citation with the publishing company and a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information that we are providing from a work in an edited collection.